Over 2 unforgettable days in Cordoba, we explored one of Spain's most beautiful and historic cities, from the breathtaking Mezquita and the colourful patio gardens in full bloom during May, to a horse and carriage ride through the charming Jewish quarter. We also enjoyed a spectacular nighttime light show at the Alcazar and took a trip to the stunning white village of Zuherros. These are 8 experiences you don't want to miss when visiting Cordoba. We're now in Cordoba. Oh, it's very beautiful.
And the hotel's right next to.
So this is the Mezquita here, and the hotel is literally just along here. Sorry. So this is where we are staying. I love a bath. Go out into the balcony. So the balcony can stand. Oh yes, look at that. So we are right opposite the Mezquita. How amazing is that? It's a lovely patio area down here in the hotel, which you can sit in.
So here we are, we're at the Mezquita in Cordoba, just before the tour starts. So it's 9 o'clock, so hardly anyone here this time of day. Imagine these orange trees when they're fruiting, or actually even before then when their blossoms are out. They must be fantastic, beautiful, fragrant.
We used Get Your Guide for our tour. If you are travelling in May, I would highly recommend booking well in advance for a guided tour. As you can see here, there are long queues. The Mezquita of Cordoba is one of Spain's most extraordinary landmarks and a true masterpiece of Islamic and Christian architecture. Originally built as a mosque in the 8th century during the Umayyad period, it was later converted into a cathedral after the Christian reconquest, creating a unique blend of cultures and styles. Inside, the famous forest of red and white striped arches stretches across the vast prayer hall, while the Renaissance cathedral nave rises dramatically from its centre. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Mezquita stands as a symbol of Cordoba's rich and fascinating history.
So here we are, we're inside the Mezquita. We've done the tour. It was very good, very informative.
Yes, very good.
Amazing building, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just incredible,
Absolutely
all the
fabulous.
arches.
And to hear that the Christian cathedral was built inside the Muslim mosque without any damage.
Yeah.
Just incredible.
Yeah, I mean, most religious buildings have got a history of one faith building on top of another faith, etc. So effectively almost destroying the history of what went before. But here, it is literally, you've got the architecture of the mosque on all the way around the outside, and then in the centre is the cathedral, the Christian cathedral. That's amazing.
The ticket we've got, we can go over to the museum, which is new, only been there for the last 5 months, and we can go and get some views from the top.
So now we're in the museum.
So part of the ticket is to come to this museum, and it's only been here for the last 5 months, so really new. It's beautiful, and it's got a little terrace. You wouldn't really know about that unless you were told. but great views. That's a good view.
Very good view. So the bridge, Roman bridge, statue. There's Mezquita, just doing a bit of renovation on the outside.
This is the river and the bridge. We are on the Roman bridge crossing the Guadalquivir River and was built in 947 BC.
So 1st century, yeah.
Yeah, and
It's got
has
16 arches, 9 metres wide.
and 247 metres long.
Yeah.
So we're just going to have a little walk across. This is something special for Cordoba.
It's the Festival of the Patios, which runs from the 4th of May to the, I think it's the 18th, something like that, around there. And so people open their patios and there's competitions. It's beautiful, isn't it? Just the way everyone's got their pots outside.
Very long queues for some of these gardens. This one here is a very long queue. Wow. This one. Touristy, but when in Rome, as they say. So it's 45 euros for 35 minutes, let's see.
Allegedly.
Oh. This is... It's making us feel quite sleepy. We're in the Jewish quarter at the moment. Very narrow. That's nice. Tapas. Rincón de Carmen. Coming through some of the tourist shopping areas.
That was really good fun.
And
saw some more of Cordoba that we weren't ever going to see because we're not here long enough.
no, so that's good. So the Jewish quarter is where we're going to go back to now. Have a look, a bit more of a look round here. Andy's having the menu of the day, which is starter, main course, pudding, bread, and a drink.
And I think you can have pudding or coffee, I think.
Yeah, which is 27 euros. I'm just having a main course. but it's a very beautiful location.
Quite hot outside, so it's quite nice to be in the shade for
Yes.
a bit.
This is my paella. And Andy's starter paella looks the same size.
It's a bit small. It's a bit smaller, a tiny bit smaller.
I don't think that I would actually manage to eat the paella as a starter, then a main course, then a pudding. So good luck, Andy. It's very good though. Feeling better? Everybody's using like a QR code. So we're needing Wi-Fi.
Oh, yeah, my signal.
Sorry?
I didn't have any signal, so...
So hopefully we'll know what we're ordering soon. But I have got the biggest glass of a Cordoba wine. Andy's got a beer. So we've had 4 tapas. Andy's trying this...
Yeah, this is okay. This
like a dry sherry that is typical of this area. We've got croquetas, ham croquettes, and then this is the traditional. Just had supper here in La Bodegas Mezquita. Very good. Long queues, lots of people turned away. So highly recommend. Well, I don't quite know what we've got in our tickets for the light show, but we've bought a premium and we've skipped the queue. So it's a light show that they have in May to celebrate their feria.
Empezamos la aventura.
Oh, we're going to start the adventure. So the light show was based on the story of Christopher Columbus.
How fun.
See the ships on the wall. We are in the tiny town of Zuherros.
Zuherros, yeah. Beautiful countryside, wasn't it?
Lots of olive trees. Olive. Definitely the home of olive growing.
And some of the olive trees are on like sheer mountains, and you just wonder how on earth they harvest those. Castillo Hotel, wherever.
So beautiful. All those pot plants are thriving here.
Yesterday, up in the Sierra Nevada, all of the bushes around us pretty much were, when we were coming back down the other side, were all rosemary, weren't they? It was
That's beautiful. And next time we will be in Seville. So join us next week.